and you can see how gorgeous this is. Beautiful on my wrist. Really, really nice. Again, they do have a black one like I told you, and hopefully they'll send us one of those, and I'll show you how it looks with the black on the black. It might look really, really cool, so we'll see in the future how that is. Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today I'm looking at a stainless steel watch band that's compatible with your Apple Watches. Now they have all different sizes available for all different Apple Watches. This is how this one comes packed, and I want to show you a little bit about it. I want to show you how to take out the pins and measure for your watch, because I have a watch here that I'm going to put it on. I've been wanting a nice stainless steel one, and this is a really nice quality, really heavy duty quality of stainless steel. Now inside the kit, they give you some extra links in case your wrist is longer. They give you some extra pins, because this is a push pin. This is how you adjust the watch. You use this item here. We can get a close up as you can see that. So this what does is this pushes the pins through, and I'm going to show you where they go. So if you need to adjust the watch, you'll look at the watch band and you'll see these little arrows. Now those arrows mean that's where the pin goes out. And then when you put the pin back, you make sure you go the opposite way, okay? You don't put the pin in the same way. It doesn't work that way. You make sure you push the pin out this way and then push it back in the same way you pushed it out. So that's kind of a secret you need to know. Again, all high quality, nice stainless steel. I want you to see how it looks on my wrist. This is going to look amazing. I love the quality of this. It looks fantastic. I'm going to put on my black watch, and I think the two-tone look is going to look really awesome. So again, all high quality. I want you to see the links. I want you to see the quality of this band. This opens up like this here. This is a latch. Everything opens up just like that there. Now you can see this is all wrapped in plastic. So this is where it won't get damaged and scratched. That's really a nice thing as well. They do a nice job. So all in all, first impression, everything looks really super high quality. Again, extra links if you needed extra pins in case sometimes these pins can break. Let me show you again. Sometimes these pins can break, but that's why they give you some extra pins, and they're easy. They just unscrew and screw back into the base here, and you just basically push it through, and that's how you push the pins through. And I'll show you that in a minute because this is just too big for my wrist. So let's just pop it on my watch real quick. I want to just show you how it looks before I make the adjustment so you get an idea. And this slides on really easy, like really high quality. Put this on like that, slide it right in. Now, if you're looking for, so I was looking, get this, make sure I can see here, line up the, and you can see how it looks with the two-tone. I think that looks really sharp. I really do. I like this quite a bit. Let me just throw it on my wrist. You can see it is just way too big for my wrist, and I have a small wrist. I have like an 8-inch wrist. This is probably for maybe a 9. You might even be able to go up to a 10 with this thing. This is a huge band, and I love the size of it. I like I like chunky. I like that. Some people like silicone. Some people don't. I like this look. Now the two-tone look on this is absolutely fantastic. They also have a black band as well. Maybe in the future I'll do another review and show you the black band, how it looks on me, so you get an idea of the quality, how this looks on the black. But this is the black on the stainless steel on black, which I think is okay. I like it. Okay, let's just take this off. Let's take off the pins. Let me just show you how to do that. Really easy. And you do them evenly. The idea is to take off one set, like if you need to take off, let's say 4 sections, take off 2 on one side, 2 on the other side. So you want to keep it even. You don't want this lopsided in the back of your wrist. In other words, you want everything to be even. So this stays in the back evenly. That's the idea behind that. That's why you do that. All right, let's take the pins out and see how to do that. Okay, so I think I'm going to take out 2 links in each one of these. So I'm going to use the tool that they did include. You just open it up and you put the tool in. Open it up, and then you're just going to get it lined up to where you need to get the pin. There's a pin right here, and you start just pushing the pin. Line it up, and you push the pin. I want you to see what happens here as I push the pin through. See the pin coming out? That pin right there? That's all you have to do. It's like a cotter pin. You take that pin here. This pin just comes right out. Now don't forget what I told you about. It has to go in the same exact way. When you take it out, you make sure you put it in the exact same way. You make sure the bump goes in. Okay, so the bump stays on the outside, and then you just slide it right back in exactly as you take it out. You can see I took out 1, and I'm going to take out 2 on each side evenly. I think that's the best way to do it, and just see. Let me take out another link over here on this side. I'm going to show you that. Again, this is a very big bracelet. I have a small wrist. And then that's pretty easy. Again, this tool makes it easy. This is all made out of metal, not plastic. Some of them are plastic. This is a nice metal one. So there is right there. So this is one side. And I took out 2 links. I'm going to save these links in case I need it in the future. And then I'm going to repeat the process on the other side. And I'm going to put it back together. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I ended up taking out the 4 links right here. Here's 2 and 2. So that's 2 and 2, 4 links. Took those out. And all you do is take the pin, like I was telling you, push it back in. That's all you got to do. Then I take the back of the tool, I just tap it down, and that's all you have to do. Very simple, very easy. Now I'm going to attach it to my watch and see how it looks. Okay, guys, put it on. Absolutely perfect for me. I get the 4 links. I know my measurements, so 4 links, and you can see in the back how it's perfectly aligned in the back of my wrist. So that's what you want. If you did all 4 on one side, it would be lopsided. You don't want that. You want it in the center of your wrist, and you can see how gorgeous this is. Beautiful on my wrist. Really, really nice. Again, they do have a black one, like I told you, and hopefully they'll send us one of those, and I'll show you how it looks with the black on the black. It might look really, really cool. So we'll see in the future how that is. But right now, the stainless steel, I'm rocking that one, and I absolutely love how it feels. It feels super premium, and I think you're going to love it. Go ahead and purchase it. I think it's going to be fantastic. There'll be a QR code over here at the end of the video. Go ahead and purchase that. It does. I do get a small commission and does cost you nothing. It does help support my channel. I do appreciate that. And I think you're going to really love it. I like good quality bands, and you can just feel the stainless steel. You can just feel it feels really good, and it fits really well. And you have many, many options to make it bigger, to make it smaller. They give you the tools, and you just, that's the way to go. And it's really made quite well. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, don't forget to follow this channel for more. Like and subscribe and share the video so other people can know how to do this. That really means a lot to me, and I really appreciate that your time for watching this. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.